Alright guys, today we're going to be installing a pypes violator from American Muscle. It was $350 for both of them. Okay price. Let's see how it goes. I already got one installed. I'll install the other one. Stay tuned. Before we do the installation, you have to make sure you put some jack stands. Safety first, man. Pretty much it's gonna be a direct bolt on the car. Just 2 screws, unscrew, tie. You know, I'll show you guys right now in a little bit. So, let me get this fixed. All you're gonna pretty much be doing is you're gonna pretty much slide it in there. Like so. Pretty much slide. This camera fixed. And pretty much tie both bolts right here on the front. Tie these bolts and make sure this thing's all the way up. Just tie that bolt, and that's how easy it is to install an axle back bolt on a 2006 Mustang. If you cannot do this, I don't know what to tell you, but this should be a super easy installation for any person that has one. And I'll see you guys later. Okay, so pretty much you have to tie this bolt, unhook it from here. Take these 2 off. When you put it in, push it back, then slide that back on. Slide it back onto this and tie it. And I mean, there's not really much to it. It's only the 1 bolt, 1 screw, 1 nut. So yeah. And that's how she looks with the new setup. Looks pretty good. Not too bad. Can't complain. Now give it a little test noise. See how she sounds.